मैंने ऑडिशंस दिया था एंड आई थिंक आई गेव एटलीस्ट थ्राइस आई गेव फॉर दिस रोल, ऑलवेज वंडरिंग क्या मैंने सही किया कि नहीं, यू नो, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स गुड to have that little bit of self doubt is good. I'm doing the biggest film, I don't wait for that, I feel I'm doing the biggest film.
If you could meet Ritesh for the first time again, Genelia, what would you wish to say him for the first time?
You know, when I met Ritesh for the first time, I didn't say anything to him. I just ignored him. This time, I hope I say hi. I'm Genelia. Nice to meet you.
जब आप स्क्रीन पर आते हो, आपके बच्चे आपको देखकर क्या बोलते हैं?
Actually, my children don't see too much of, you know, our movies. They've only seen Wade and they've seen Sitare Zameen Par, but they loved it. But they're not like they have to see everything. They don't even know. उनके लिए
But enjoy करते हैं ना जब भी देखते हैं?
I hope so. In this film in particular, मुझे लगता है कि हर scene जो मैंने किया, मेरा I'm not like, it's not like some massive big role, but एक important role है, और जितने भी scenes मैंने किए, I feel in those scenes there's a heart. लोग नॉर्म्स के हिसाब से जाते हैं, आप लोग को लगता है कि शायद आई एम, यू नो, मैरिड, सो आई डोंट नीड दिस कैरेक्टर, पर
अगर स्टार्ट ऑफ द डे ही इस प्यारी सी स्माइल के साथ हो तो हम ये रोज करना चाहेंगे. ऑल्सो आई एम सिटिंग विद समवन हु इज ऑलवेज अ ट्रीट टू वॉच ऑन स्क्रीन्स. हाय गाइस, दिस इज अनुषा पुजारी वेलकमिंग यू एंड जेनेलिया टू फिल्मी मंत्रा. कैसे हैं आप?
वेरी गुड अनुषा.
And you know, 20 years into the business,
Yes.
2022,
Yes.
when you look back at this incredible journey of yours, कोई एक sense of satisfaction, relief है आप?
नहीं, 100% satisfaction तो बहुत है. I think without satisfaction nothing can let you be at peace, you know.
Right.
तो मेरे लिए I think what I've done in these 20 years is for me my love story with my profession. So yeah.
एंड ये जो फिल्म है सितारे ज़मीन पर, इट्स नॉट जस्ट अ फिल्म, ये रोल भी एक सिर्फ एक रोल नहीं है, इट्स एन इमोशन नाउ, है ना. पहला जो फिल्म था उसको हर एक इंडियन ने इतने दिल से लगा लिया है कि इट्स एन इमोशन. सो नाउ दैट यू आर ऑन बोर्ड, आपका कैसा था एक्सपीरियंस ऑन वर्किंग ऑन द फिल्म एंड कितना कंफर्ट जोन के बाहर जाना पड़ा आपको?
नहीं, ज़्यादातर नहीं है. कंफर्ट जोन के बाहर जाना आई डोंट थिंक वाज व्हाट माय कैरेक्टर एक्चुअली डिमांडेड. बट एक जो कंफर्ट में भी है ना, वेरी ऑफन वी फॉरगेट अबाउट दैट कि in life, I'm saying generally कि आप एक एक्टर हो, ठीक है, but sometimes you need to be your real emotion that you need. I think Aamir Khan Productions in general, what they select, how they select, you know, when they look at you, I think that's something that only they can do. So I really think कि मुझे मैंने ऑडिशंस दिया था एंड आई थिंक आई गेव एटलीस्ट thrice. I gave for this role. Yeah, okay. I gave this audition thrice. But I could see that why. I could see why I was doing that, because they wanted you to give their best, your best.
And also आमिर खान जो है, he's been इतने समय से इस इंडस्ट्री में, and you have also been. So कभी ऐसा हुआ कि नर्वसनेस है अब भी?
नर्वसनेस तो हर दिन होता है. आई फील इफ दैट नर्वसनेस इज नॉट देयर, वो जो एनर्जी होता है दैट कम्स फ्रॉम माय नर्वस एनर्जी. तो whenever I'm doing my scene, like every day, I feel that एक जो थोड़ा सा नर्वस एनर्जी है जो that wants you to do better, you know, that pushes you to do better is very important. So
and whenever you are shooting, ऐसा कोई एक सीन होता है जो आपके दिल के काफ़ी करीब होता है? Any memory that you can share?
नहीं, ये in this film in particular मुझे लगता है कि हर सीन जो मैंने किया, मेरा I'm not like, it's not like some massive big role, but एक important role है, और जितने भी scenes मैंने किए, I feel in those scenes there's a heart, there's like, you know, there's an element of emotion, और वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. When I first read the character of सुनीता, मैंने प्रसन्ना को भी बोला और आमिर सर को भी बोला कि मुझे करना है. यू नो, आई नो इट्स नॉट लाइक दिस मैसिव रोल, पर अगर 3 सीन्स भी है, आई वांट टू डू माय 100%. सो आई वुड से टॉक टू प्रसन्ना who actually wrote the character, who actually wrote Sunita, and I feel in real life I'm very close to Sunita. You know, उनका जो इमोशनल कनेक्ट है आमिर के साथ, मतलब गुलशन के साथ, सुनीता और गुलशन का जो रिलेशनशिप है, in every household you have that at some point.
Right, true.
So वो identify करना और you know to just think about normal life कि हर घर में ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें होते रहते हैं and how that becomes such a big problem, you know, sometimes how that becomes no problem sometimes. I feel that was what Sunita as a character was playing.
एंड जब मैंने डायरेक्टर का भी इंटरव्यू लिया था, ही कॉल्ड आमिर खान अ न्यू कमर. इतने टाइम होने के बाद भी ही स्टिल कॉलिंग हिम अ न्यू कमर. एनी पॉइंट्स दैट यू वांट टू ऐड टू दैट?
No, I think Amir sir जो है, he is someone who I look up to. Like, be it his production, be it his craft, be it how involved he is. उनका एक है, मतलब he is not like the rest. You know, when people got to know that I'm doing Sitare Zameen Par, उन लोग ने सभी ने बोला कि oh my God, so lucky, you're doing an Amir Khan film, you're doing an Amir. I was like, that's amazing. That is his bigness, right? It is his greatness that Amir sir saw something in me and whatever, asked me. Of course, he made me audition and all of that. But I said, you could also do that, right? Like, you could also offer me your own. लेकिन आप लोग norms के हिसाब से जाते हैं. आप लोग को लगता है कि शायद I'm, you know, married, so I don't need this character. But I just feel that filmmaking has changed and so should our mentality.
Evolve भी काफी हो चुका है cinema.
Yeah. And I feel वो बहुत ज़रूरी है कि we go into thinking कि अगर आपको एक, you know, you have to play a character of a certain age, you should cast someone of that thing.
Right.
I think हम लोग, when we cast people who are maybe much younger than a character that I had to play, you're not going to understand what, you know, the little things of it. So I feel it's important to cast right, I think, eventually. And I hope that opportunities go everyone's way.
Right. And you have evolved as an actor, as a mother, as a producer.
Yeah.
So abhi, when you choose projects, how difficult it is, or any which ways, how difficult it is to reinvent yourself every single time?
Actually मुझे लगता है कि ये जो phase है, मतलब ये जो नया phase है, या coming back after a while, and I feel this in itself is new for me. क्योंकि जितने भी roles मैंने पहले किए, I feel that was all you know, younger, Aditi, full of life, no complexity, full of fun, could go fight. But अब जो मुझे मिल रहे हैं, and I feel, and I honestly feel that these roles are, you know, extremely me. Like, it's about my motherhood, it's about being married, it's about
experiencing
having
real life.
So I feel I'm inventing myself at every role that I'm getting now. I feel it's a terrific time for me as an actor.
जब आप स्क्रीन पर आते हो, आपके बच्चे आपको देखकर क्या बोलते हैं?
Actually, my children don't see too much of, you know, our movies. They've only seen Wade and they've seen Sitare Zameen Par, but they loved it. But they're not like they have to see everything. They don't even know. उनके लिए
But enjoy करते हैं ना जब भी देखते हैं.
I hope so.
But your kids are Gen Zs also ना. कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि उन्होंने ऐसा कुछ term बोल दिया हो जो आपको maybe समझ नहीं आया हो, या ऐसा something?
हाँ, all the time. I don't understand this new language very often. But I think my parents didn't understand my language maybe. So go on as per how it is.
Yes, and I have a segment for you called If You. ठीक है? I'll give situations and you have to tell me if you were in that, आप क्या करते? If you can have one royal thing, what would it be?
Royal? No, I honestly don't want to be royal. I want to be Janelia. I just want to have love and give love.
Okay. If you could give one tip for a healthy lifestyle, what would it be?
I honestly think home food. Home food is something that is the healthiest.
Okay. If you were an emoji for the day, what would you be?
Smile from your heart.
If you can give any advice to couples for a healthy relationship, what would it be?
Don't give up.
Don't
give up.
If you could meet Ritesh for the first time again, Janelia, what would you wish to say him for the first time?
You know, when I met Ritesh for the first time, I didn't say anything to him. I just ignored him. This time, I hope I say hi. I'm Janelia. Nice to meet you.
If you can watch a re-released film in theaters, which film would you watch?
I don't know, but I loved Jab We Met, I think.
Jab We Met is like an emotion already. And one question I have to ask you, ki all the time you can't feel confident, right?
Yes.
Any mantra that you have that you do when you don't feel confident enough?
No, I don't feel confident very often. जैसे मैंने कहा कि एक जो negative energy है, which I carry a lot actually. I mean, and not negative, nervous energy. जो nervous energy है, that plays a very big role in my, my general parenting or my general. I'm always wondering. क्या मैंने सही किया कि नहीं, and I think that's good to have that little bit of self-doubt is good because I don't wait for someone else's validation. Like, कि I'm doing the biggest film. I don't wait for that. I feel I'm doing the biggest film. Like, I feel today, this is my film. They have cast me. I think it's the biggest film ever. I don't wait for someone to tell me that. So I think that really helps me stay in love with my job and in love with my characters most often.
Right. एंड जो भी बोल रही है आपका कमबैक है, इट्स नॉट अ कमबैक. आप कभी गए ही नहीं तो कमबैक कैसे होगा? बिफोर लीविंग प्लीज एक मैसेज दे दीजिए आप ऑडियंस को.
No, सितारे ज़मीन पर is releasing on 20th June in theaters only. Make sure you have your ticket and enjoy the film.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you.